Welcome back everybody to Starlet Fever, Season 1, Episode 2. What we've got in store for you today is we're going to be doing the finishing touches to the 1994 GT Advance. So we're going to be showing you how to change the strut brace, how to install an oil catch can, also do the engine bay, the finishing touches to make that gold really shine out. Plus we've purchased a rug doctor to get the whole fleet of cars, all the upholstery and all the seats, looking back to showroom condition. So keep watching, hope you enjoy it. Right guys, so we've chosen a new strut brace. As you can see, it's had a better day. So we're now going to get it all sandblasted. Tat's now preparing the sandblaster, ready for it to get back to showroom condition. Keep watching. So we finally just finished the old strut brace. We've got it all polished down. We've used also salt to get the metal back to its original finish. Tat sandblasted the ends, he's repainted them as well, so they've been primered and resprayed. So join us now while we show you how to take the old brace off and put the new one on. See, it's the little details that change the way a car looks. Just by changing the strut brace, as you can see, going from the Pokemon sticker bomb one to the beautiful chrome one right here, it makes the engine look so much better. So we've also changed the oil filler cap from the orange TRD one to a genuine Blitz one, which makes it look so much better as well, more colour coded. As you guys can tell, every Starlet is unique. That's what we want. Let's see your Starlets, guys. On our Instagram, comment your pictures down there, tag us in it. We want to see what your Starlets look like on the road. We want to see the best pictures you've got. Don't forget to like, because we're going to have competitions, we're going to have merch, we're going to have the whole lot. Our new shed is coming very soon as well. We want your posters, we want your cars displayed in there. We have got some huge ideas. So get in touch. We're going to carry on. Wow, what a busy day it's been. We got here just before 5 AM this morning. It's just hit 5:30 PM right now. What a fantastic day it's been. Here's a list of jobs that we've done so far today. As you can see, we've been very, very busy, even with the smallest jobs. So it's the small jobs that makes the car look perfect. You know what I mean, guys, when you see a beautiful car and it pulls up. It's just those little details that let it down. That's what we're conquering. We're getting even the smallest parts done perfectly the first time. To get the cars ready for you guys in 2 weeks' time, we're going to be hitting the local shows. We'll be displaying everything that goes on their Instagram and our social media. We want you guys to be part of us. So give us a shout out. Let us know what you want to see, what you want us to do. If you've got a business, let us know. We want to shout you guys out. We want you guys to be part of our community, to be part of us. Get in touch. The guys on the Starlet Forum, you know who you are. Absolutely amazing people. You were right on your guest today. Right on the money. Fantastic. It was great to hear from you. Thank you so much for the support. Guys, hit that like button, subscribe, get ready for the next episode. We've got some huge, huge, huge ideas for the channel. Some huge ambitions. You're going to see things that you've never seen before. And we hope you like the episodes. Thank you.
When you add more flavor, I'm coming to the palate of life. I say ya, no more fighting. Everyone's hiding. Kick it to the mix, cause they all tighten. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No laws, no kings, no need to testify. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No crooks, no strings, no one explaining why. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No laws, no kings, no need to testify. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No crooks, no strings, no one